Welcome, I'm glad you're here, for I have a story to tell.
The Westphalian order has a challenger, and it's older than the system itself. Tianxia, all under heaven. The Chinese vision of world order that predates European nation-states by millennia. In this vision, there's one civilized center radiating outward, barbarians at the edges, a hierarchy where the emperor stands supreme, and all others find their place beneath. It wasn't imperialism. It was cosmology. The Middle Kingdom wasn't just a country. It was the world. Then Europe drew different borders. Westphalia 1648 declared all nations sovereign and equal. A horizontal world of peer states, each with identical rights, regardless of size or age. China joined the system, but did it ever truly accept it? Listen to the language today. A community with a shared future for mankind. A new type of international relations. The Belt and Road creating networks with Beijing at the hub. The vocabulary is modern. The geometry is ancient. Every tributary relationship reinforced hierarchy. Every a priori ideal creates new dependencies. Every claim to civilizational superiority echoes the old assumption that China sits at the center. The Westphalian system says all nations are equal. China's 4,000-year history says some civilizations naturally stand at the center. These two visions cannot coexist forever. One must give. Is China reshaping the world order, or just restoring it? Follow for the series finale.